I ain't never give up, so it's like I never gave up on you. But thank you, 'cause you made me what I am today. Father was irrelevant, mother working double shifts, embarrassed that her parents' problems seem to be inherited. Blaming on her heritage, I blame it on black marriages, delirious. Tell me what we do to merit this. How can I prepare for this? I stare at this as though through the eyes of a terrorist. Imperative I don't miss. How kids raising kids, how they raise the price of live. We do what we do, 'cause they did what they did. If life is the test and these days is the quiz, I just shaking my head so these thoughts start to fizz. When you starve for success, you can't feel it in your ribs. Being paid the toll, I'm just trying to cross the bridge, but the gate kinda broke and the lever don't lift. I should've took the first ship. But I'ma make it, ma, just keep breathing. Chewing on the game, your baby boy still teething. I'ma always follow long as God keep leading. Then it started when I'm young, man, I'm numb to the teasing. Greed was the reason that my friends commit treason, but I ain't fall back, I just did some spring cleaning. The way the wealthy act and make the ghetto seem decent, 'cause it's not what you've done, it's what you've done for me recent. I was stuck in that world too. No, I'm sliding through the creases. Mom, would you believe it? Your baby boy's still numb.